good is your cordless vacuum? Does it have enough power? Can it tackle the toughest dirt? Does it clean for long enough on a single charge? Does it look this good? Introducing the new VaxBlade 2 Max. With almost 3 times the power of any cordless we've ever produced, it outperforms the UK's top 10 best-selling cordless vacuums in independent tests. That's the cleaning performance of the best corded uprights in a sleek, lightweight design. The Vax Core processor monitors power up to 1,000 times a second, helping to give you optimum performance on both carpets and hard floors. And for stubborn dirt, simply switch to boost mode. A simple click takes it from upright to handheld in seconds. For easy cleaning up high, down low, and anywhere in between with no loss of suction. What's more, you get great cleaning performance with a stunning 45 minutes runtime on a single charge. When you're done, simply press the button and ditch the dirt. Fully charged from flat in just 3 hours, it's ready to go again when you are. The new VaxBlade 2 Max, our best ever cordless vacuum.
The typical vacuum head. It can struggle with large debris and stuck on dust. At Shark, we asked, what if the vacuum head could do more? So we removed the front wall and added a rotating soft brush. So while deep cleaning carpets, you can also grab large particles, even pull in piles, and directly engage floors for a beautiful, polished look. Shark Duo Clean, invented to help you do more on carpets and floors.
Ride Me Vacuum Cleaner. Dream cleaning.